All right, day 2 been started off real spicy. Is this really day 2? It might be day 3. I'm losing count already. But this is the second day actually making phone calls. Started off a little spicy. Me, might got another one under contract. Only time will tell. You know what I mean? A little bit premature. But yeah, this might be number 2 right now, man. And we're gonna get probably get another 2 more by the end of the day. Yeah, we ain't leaving until I get another 2 more.
0.7, bro. That's what the buyers are buying at. I could put it out though at 230 or something. 0.7 is what buyers are buying at.
Hello, this is Will.
Hey, Will, how you doing, boss?
Good.
Awesome. This is Sheridan with Family Investment. You spoke with one of my reps a few days ago about you selling the property on Heaven Road. Awesome. I was wondering, was you able to get an asking price already? Did somebody get that to you?
Nope.
If you don't mind me asking, have you had any offers? What is your asking price? It's not even listed. So I guess we got here a little bit early. What kind of price are you looking for your home?
I haven't even thought about it.
Is it you moving away, or you plan on upgrading to another home, or?
I honestly, I haven't even thought of it until your guy called me today.
Let me ask you this. I just wanted to see if it qualified to be in our portfolio, because if I was able to get you a good number today, would I be able to earn your business today on the cash deal? All right. Is this a home that you currently live in?
Correct.
So if I was able to reach that number in about 2 weeks, you'd be able to move out with no problem?
We have to find something, so it'd be probably
2 to 4 weeks. Now, I just wanted to get just the understanding of clarify the specs of the house. Now, is it 6 bedroom, 3.5 bath?
Yep.
Everything's in good shape. Is it renovated and anything damages?
No repairs.
And is right around 5,000 square feet?
Yep, sounds about right.
Do you know the age on the roof?
It's actually brand new.
Just got replaced this year. What about the foundation?
Foundation is from when they built the house in 2012, I think.
Around 2012. Now, I don't know the number, but now I wouldn't be doing my job if I asked. Now, if I was able to get you somewhere around maybe 700 for your home, would that something you'd be entertained?
No, not for that number.
Do you have a number in mind if you give me an offer yourself to me
north.
for 1.1? Let me get to my team and see what I could do for you. If I get somewhere close to that, I'll give you a call back in the next 10, 15 minutes. All right.
I ain't got no contract sent back in like you, bro.
Yeah, I ain't got one locked in today yet. What you talking about? It's one a day.
You talking about today?
Yeah, what you talking about? It's one a day.
I need a 2 for like a 3.
It's bare minimum one a day.
But you know, we ain't the bare minimum
You know
type.
what I mean? What you talking about, man?
We ain't the bare minimum type.
I ain't get one a day.
See, we overachievers.
What?
We overachievers. Just meeting the bar, we surpassing the bar. So if you want to fuck with a dog like us, your ass might get bit. But if we ask to stay in the park long enough, you might just get along with it, fucking make some money.
Word.
Motherfuckers might give you a bone, you know what I mean?
Game of road shit, man. Talk about one, cause I got one yesterday. Talk about what? Let me talk about what? That shit already happened. Like what? Man, I had one almost like really played with me earlier, maybe. You know what I mean? I'm still expecting that call. You know what I mean? It ain't over till I hear that big lady singing. You feel me? But yeah, man. I'm not done. I made over 40 calls already, and it's only 2 o'clock. You feel me? Had a few live connections, but I ain't playing.
Please leave your message for 801-845-8115.
Hey, what's going on, Garrett? Jared, we just sent over the email, the documents. Just give me a call back once you get this. This is Sheridan, we just spoke. The email has been sent. You fill it out, review it, give me a call if you had any problems. Talk to you soon.
You didn't answer?
Nah. Let's see.
He's probably looking at it.
Yeah, man.
Stairs. So it's a 2 floor. It's a 2 floors.
Basically, it's 2 floor wasn't added, but it was big enough where I could walk into it.
Thank you for letting me know that. I appreciate it. Are you living in this address, or you have a tenant living there?
No, I'm living in it right now.
Perfect. Do you have a balance on this address, or is it completely paid for?
I will have it paid off in 7 months.
Got it. Have you been offered a price, or is there something specific that you're trying to accomplish as far as a price offer that we might be able to make this a little bit more seamless and painless for you?
I have been offered 4 different prices for it out of it. You tell me what you can offer me, and I'll tell you whether that's a good price or not.
Got you. I see here that, if you don't mind me asking, how was the inside? Is it renovated? Have you done any upgrades to the inside of the property, or is it all original?
It is original. What I've done, I've reinforced and rebuilt the foundation on it. I've insulated with 1-inch insulation and siding on it. I put in double paints, storm windows, put a brand new roof on it.
And how is the AC and the water heater? How are those working for you?
The air conditioner is upstairs. It's room cooler. Works excellent. It could be 110 degrees outside. I just turn it on for about 2 hours in the house, and it drops right down to 68, 70 degrees.
Got it. Perfect. Well, it sounds like you take a really good care of this home. On the outside, how's the roof? Is there any repairs that need to be done to the roof or anything? Oh, perfect. That's good to hear. Okay, perfect. Mr. Charles, while I could get this cash offer for you ready, do you mind me putting you on hold for 2 minutes? That way I can see what I can work out for you really quick, sir? Just hang tight. Give me 1 second, Mr. Charles. I appreciate it. If I came back at this number, is that something you would be okay with? Or
Yeah.
how would I ask that? Like, of course, he's not giving me a number.
Just say, okay, well, what's a number I can take back to my team to see if we can even get it approved?
Mr. Charles, really quick, I was going over. I had to ask a question. If there was a number I had to take back to my team in order to make this deal happen for you, is there a certain number I'd be working to get for you, sir? Just so that way I could try to make it happen.
I'm not going to tell you what I've been offered for it. You have to make an offer and see what they're willing to pay for it.
All right, Mr. Charles, give me 2 minutes. I'm going to get you an offer ready to go, and I'm going to get back on the phone. I'm going to put you on hold for 1 more second. So this gentleman, he's here at this address in Utah 621 South. He put 2 more beds upstairs, so it's 2 floor. He's living in it currently. He's 7 months away from paying it off. It's all original on the inside, and he put a brand new roof on it. He says he's gonna offer 4 offers. He doesn't want to give me a number. I said, well, Charles, if there's a number I can get back to my team with and try to make this happen for you, what number would that be that I'm working for you? He says, you're just gonna have to make me an offer, and I'll let you know if you're close or not. I have the address if you need it.
1.
South 900, West Salt Lake City.
Is he a cool dude or sounds like a dick?
He sounds like alright, dude. He sounds like an older gentleman.
So it's how big?
900 square foot, 912 square foot.
Did he used to have a bottom?
Did it have?
Or a top? Or did he add the whole top floor?
He added the top floor, the upstairs.
So
2 beds
1,800
upstairs.
square feet, right?
1900.
So he's got 900 below, 900 on top, or he's got 900 total? Confirm that.
Hey Charles, quick question. For the square foot, I know you said it was 900 square foot. Is it 900 on bottom and 900 on top? Or is it 900 just total square foot?
It's considered 900 square feet.
Okay, so it's considered. Okay, perfect. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Give me 1 second.
But I think he's wrong, though. I'm like positive he's
This is how the process is supposed to feel like and go, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So the right way. We're doing the right
He didn't
things.
give you any offer. Or
No, he didn't give me no number. I asked him twice. Almost 3 times for it.
Alright, so just tell him we're having a rough comps. Or give him a call back in about 20 minutes.
Mr. Charles, I'm going to work a little bit on this price offer for you. Is it okay if I give you a call back here in the next 10-20 minutes? Or is it okay if I take down your email? I can even email you a copy and I can call you back and go over it with you if you like.
Yeah, just put it on my email.
I'm ready when you are, sir. All right. I appreciate you, Charles. My name is Valentino here with Dorson Family Investments, sir. I appreciate you taking my call and giving me the opportunity to help. I'll get back in touch with you here shortly so that way we can try to work this out for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Charles. Talk to you soon. Get money, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
That was great.
Big dog status.
Motherfuckers act like I done this. You know what I mean? How's that?
It's different when you got a different person on the phone.
That's true.
Because the seller added another floor with... Did he add another bathroom too, or just 2 bedrooms?
No, he just said the 2 bedrooms.
He had a new roof, right?
Yeah, brand new roof. Living in it currently. He's 7 months until it's paid. The balance is paid. Original inside. He said he ventilated it and like some stuff like, but that was really it. Insulation, did installation or something like that. But I think all those words could have been like him talking to the upstairs.
Sounded like a cool guy at the end.
Yeah, he was cool. He ended up being pretty cool.
Just to get a second opinion on this.
Bet.
No asking price at all, huh?
No, give me a price. He says he got 4 offers already, but he wasn't able to give me a price. He didn't want to give me a number. He says if you come close, then I'll tell you. But if you're not even close, then I'll let you know.
Yeah, no asking over here.
Oh, you can listen to the phone call right there too. Bathroom break. It's a bathroom break.
Got a patio on itself.
Right? We're gonna go 4 bed and above. We're gonna go 3 bath. We're gonna go to more. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go to square feet. We're gonna go 2,000 square feet to. Let's actually go 2,250. 2,250 to 20. We go.
Alex is helping me create the first contract. We're about to get it sent out. Follow up with the guy, babysit it until we get a signature, and it's gonna be considered my first deal. One of many, and so it's time to go. It's time to get started. You see us locked in right here with the headsets. We got the whole thing. Shabao. My bad. Didn't have the mic, but now we got the mic. So turn me up. Right. We got the headsets. We got the double screens. We over here cooking. It's turned into a boiler room, by the way. We make an action and catch emotion in the building. So if there's some that you're looking to get involved in, if you have a house that you're looking to get some money for, let us know. We can make it happen. If you want a house that you want us to just take care of it and put it on listing and get you all the money for it, let us know. We make it that easy. Tap in.
Was very confident on timing. And so I don't know. I just wanted to, because I'm sure there are scam companies out there. So I just wanted to.
Hey, I'm not gonna tell you there's not.
And but nothing's going to come back
And get you.
bite me in the fine print.
Absolutely, and I completely understand where you're coming from. That's why I said, hey, Valentino, let me just jump on the phone with her. You know, like make her feel a little better. And then if you look up family investments in Google, we'll pull up too. The website will pull up. The website, my Facebook, my personal Facebook. You'll see. There's definitely that credibility there. We're not just some ghost that's calling you out of nowhere.
And then I know, like I told him, one other concern that I have is the house that I had intentions of purchasing whenever my house sold is still in the process of being built. So that would just be one of my big things, is making sure that I can secure somewhere to go. So I wouldn't be able to, like at this time, I wouldn't be able to completely commit to that quick of a sale.
I mean, I love longer sales. You know, we always try to get the seller to go quicker because, you know, that's just kind of what excites them, is closing quickly. But I would love to be able to put this on my back burner, still be under contract, still put the earnest money in, but put it on my back burner like 30 to 60 days out if that's something you're looking to do.
Yeah, I mean, I would say at least the 30 days, just to, like I said, make sure I can secure, because I would need to try to find like a short term.
So how about I have Valentino send you over a biased contract that says on or before 45 days, like 45 days from today, with a mutual agreement between both seller and buyer.
Okay.
Does that sound better?
Yes, that would be good.
Okay.
If I already had somewhere to go, I would be all about this. And I have big Great Danes, and so it's not like it's easy to find somewhere who is gonna let me do like a short-term lease, especially with my giant horses that live in the house.
No, I totally get it. So I'll have him go ahead and send that over, and I'll make sure it even says agreed between buyer and seller. That way you know that you have the right to say, hey, no, I can't close yet, or yes, I can.
Okay.
And listen, I'm gonna tell you this right now. When it comes to a property and you're selling a property, we need to have that wet signature from the title company notarized by you to even do anything with it.
Yeah, man. First property locked in right here. Yes, Sirski.
Crazy, right? First day, training, learning a few things, asking the right questions. Second day, getting set up, you know what I mean? Getting comfortable, getting put in. Third day, shutting shit down. I didn't want to put my name on the board until I earned a spot. Today, I definitely did. I got 2 contracts sent out, 1 contract signed and sent back. Tomorrow is going to be number dos. And so it's crazy how things work. The bucket filled from field to field. We out here shooting shots. Remember, you miss 100% shots you don't take. But check it out. Got the headset on. We in this motherfucker for real. We in here. We ain't playing. We locked in. Closet warriors. Let's get it. Alex over there cooking up. He's about to drop something hot. He's about to get it popping right now. My boy Slice done put one on the board. Shit, only time's gonna tell. Hey, God's good, God is great. For real. Yep.
That we eat another day.
Yep. For our daily bread. In your name we pray. Amen. Shout out to the